Welcome back to I'll Be in the Barn. Today, I won't be in the barn again. You seen I was building the deck, and so now I got the deck in place and leveled. Now I need to put the boards on it, deck boards and the railings on it. So this is for my father-in-law's trailer where he's going to be living, so that we can take care of him. So let me tell you what my dilemma was this morning. I come out here. Actually, my wife said yesterday, I think that you built the deck too high and you ain't going to be able to get the deck boards on for the door to open. So I come out here with a deck board and I said, huh, she's right. So I'm all prepared to come out here, start digging under these cookies and lowering them down a little bit. And I said to myself, this is a 42-foot fifth wheel. Just go raise it up a little bit higher. Duh. I went over, put the jacks down a little further, got it all level. I got plenty of room for the deck boards. No extra work involved. Piece of cake. So now I'm getting the railings off the trailer over there so I can get the deck boards off, which are on the bottom of the trailer. And I'll just set the railings aside for now, get the deck boards off. Well, I guess you could see that with the snow on the forks and on an angle, it was a little slippery and they all fell off. I only broke one spindle, but that's okay. I got to cut one of them off anyway, so we'll have enough room to replace it. Let's see if I can put them somewhere without damaging them the rest of the way. pretty uneven ground over here. I move the trailer a little bit. I'll see if I can get around behind and get these boards off there. If not, I guess I'll have to take them over by the barn to do it. Well, there's not too much I haven't done wrong this morning. Hopefully I'll get these boards up on the deck so that I can just start sliding them off into place and then screw them down. But I broke the latch on my trailer trying to get the darn thing back out in the field over there because I had the chain wrapped around the tongue so I could lift that up high enough to get the boards off. And then just crazy, doing stuff that I shouldn't be doing. I should have got some help to get them boards off there, but hey, when you're by yourself, you gotta do what you gotta do. At least I didn't hit my new truck with my forks when I came around it. That was my first thought, is oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a slice right down the side of my truck like a can opener. So now we'll see if we can get these boards up here on the deck without hitting the trailer and breaking something. Well, and I also don't know how my 10-foot boards turned into 12-foot boards. Ordered 10-foot composite decking, 10-foot boards, because I got a 10 by 10 deck. Looks like they sent me 12 or 13-foot boards. I probably paid extra for that. I ain't taking them back now. Not after everything I broke. Besides that, my trailer's broke. And then I'd have to unload my other trailer if I wanted to use it. Well, there we go for now. I gotta go meet up with a buddy so we can get an antenna from another buddy's house, HD antenna, because he's fixing to have knee surgery and he wants to be able to watch TV while he's in layup. Well, I didn't want to bore everybody with unpacking the deck boards, so I got them unpacked and laid out on the deck. So I just got to put the caps on the other end because it's composite, and then I'll start towards that slide out, start putting the T-clips in, and it'll be done in no time. putting all the clips in the end towards the trailer. You see, it'd probably be better if you were putting them in when it's above 30 degrees. A couple of them broke little tabs off on them, but they're going to be up towards the trailer, so nobody's going to see them anyway. Father-in-law's getting his pig in today, so we'll have some meat. And get the handicap ramp on this deck after getting screwed down, and he can move over here to his trailer. Turned out beautiful today. Started out about 27. I don't know what it is now, but I'm sweating. Got the deck on there. Missing 2 pieces. 2 end caps that go on there on the deck boards. We'll pick those up later. They'll go on anytime. We're gonna go ahead and quit for now because that antenna I was telling you about earlier, I still haven't went and done that. So I'm gonna go take care of that. And same guy that has the antenna, just going to my buddy's, also got a handicap ramp that we can use. So we're gonna get that too and put that on there, and then we'll see where the rails go, but we'll do that later. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. Thanks for watching.